Hi everyone, so I was definitely not thinking about this when I started the Learn Git and GitHub course on Code Academy. Let me show you real quick what it is. So at the beginning, 3 days ago there was a friend, a programmer, who told me, hey, you should learn Git and GitHub. That will allow you to put all your work on internet, and employees and people will be able to see what you do and stuff like this. You should really learn this stuff. And something I really wanted to do when I first thought about it was to really put myself out there so people can, because I really want to connect with a lot of people, and if I put myself out there as transparently as possible, then people will have a better chance to know who I am, or what I can do as a programmer or something like this. I mean, you can never know, but I have a better idea, right? So I really wanted to put myself out there, and so I took this Learn Git and GitHub course that is here on Code Academy, and this is far better than what I was expecting. Not only the course is really good, but what you can do with Git and GitHub, that like, I mean, so many times, like 5 or 6 times at least, I'm at 66% through the course. It's a pretty big one. They say 15 hours to finish. At least 6 times I told myself, damn, this is really cool. Like this guy, Linus Torvald, oh my god, he created Linux, he created Git. That's pretty big. this is pretty big. And those are tools that are, I mean, I like really started programming 8 weeks ago. So obviously I don't know so much about programming, right? But you can tell that Linux is very used, and Git, it's like, yeah, it's really crazy. I mean, amazing tool. So yeah, the reason why I made this video, actually, I didn't think about making a video about this. It just came to my mind like a few minutes ago. So I was going through this course, and then I'm at this part where they explain you that you can use GitHub Pages to upload your website. So I created my repository, and let me show you. And boom, I created this repository, right? At first, I created this one after, can't even remember why. So I created this first repository, and I created everything using the command line interface. This is mandatory for me. I want to do as much things for now, as I'm just starting with the command line interface, so I can really get used to it, because I want to learn things about like cybersecurity and computer science and so on. So yeah, the command line interface is something that you need to learn, and it was one of the very first way. I could be mistaken on this, but from what I saw, one of the first way that programmers, one of the first way to communicate with the computers that programmers had, and I really like it on top of that. So yeah, I created this, and I did my my work step by step testing. First, I did the index.html, which is the reference page, and then I commit, git push, and so on, and I observe how the website react, and boom, so fast. So yeah, just wanted to share the progress as I am currently going through the process of uploading. I just wanted to make a video about this. So let's see. So there's a little bit of delay, like when you make some modification here, it takes a little bit time. It's not as fast as when the website was stored on Apache2 server, was on the server of a page. I have no idea to pronunciate that, but yeah. So right now, let me remember where I'm at. Actually, I just did it before. So I have those two files. Yeah, I just added the behavior.javascript file because this picture, when you click on it, as the title explain, it's supposed to expand, and you click on it again, it gets reduced. This picture, so they asked us to put a picture on our home page, one picture that bring you to a website. So I just I can't even remember how I found this picture, but yeah, I saw these pictures and the text came, boom, I put this picture, and then this one is the one that they asked us during the entrance test of Holberton School. Sorry, didn't mention it, to add also on the page. So now I'm gonna add those two files to the staging by doing git add behavior.js, and school you can add few files at the same time to the staging area. Then I can't remember how you call this sign, semicolon, I'm not so sure. You can add like create some kind of a chain or line of command using this semicolon. Yeah, that's a semicolon character. So then I need to, once I do that, I need to commit with a message. So I will say adding behavior.javascript and school.css file, close. And then what I want to do after is git push to upload all the changes to my repository from where the website is extracted, created using GitHub Pages, because my origin file, the main from where all the changes take place finally, is from GitHub. Git push, boom, done. Now let's see. Yeah, the changes will appear instantly here. You can see now adding behavior.js and school.css file. So these are the two files that I have added, and now I don't have anything anymore to add. Can't remember if I have different branches. No, I don't have different branches, just have one. And now let's see if we can click on this picture. Okay, let me try something. Nano index.html. I have a page I want to remove. I will see if it's a problem coming from my files or if it's a delay. I don't understand right now why the picture doesn't extend when I click on it, right? I told you earlier that there's a delay, so maybe it's because of this, or maybe it's because there's a problem of communication between my files, because I've created, like, I just copy pasted all my files and I didn't create the website step by step. And when you create the website step by step, things like get configured better. There is much less chances to have issues than when you copy paste, put everything in a file and synchronize everything online. At least that's what I observed when I tried to do this using a different system last time. I just copy pasted everything, uploaded my code, and then I had to like remove the CSS file, the JavaScript files, remove the links in my index.html file to those files, and then add them step by step back again after. But obviously with GitHub Pages, it's working pretty good. So there is this portfolio thing that I want to remove, so I'm gonna remove it here. Up, git add index, git commit, remove portfolio link and git push. No, oh, I can't do it like this, I forgot. With Command R, and then is it removed? Or is there a delay? There's a delay, you see? Now let's see, maybe. Oh, it's working. Awesome. Okay, perfect. So yeah, that's basically all I wanted to share. The video is more than long enough, I guess, and yeah, just wanted to share that with you.